Hello fellow astrophotographers. One of the customers recently contacted us regarding the rusty bolts for the Skywatcher EQ6-R Pro mount. You can see the problem in one of the corners of the video. I have attached the photo. The bolts are really rusted and basically useless. So we have prepared replacement bolts for this mount, which are stainless steel and also include better knobs which have larger circumference for better grip. So for example, if we compare the altitude adjustment bolts, you can see on the left side we have the replacement bolt, and on the right side we have stock bolt which has a much smaller knob, which makes it harder to turn. Our set includes the altitude adjustment bolts and the azimuth adjustment bolts. Now let's see how it looks when we use them on my mount. So first let's adjust the altitude. You can see that the tips of the bolts are nice and rounded, so they don't damage your mount. Okay, we're approximately set. We will do fine adjustment in the evening when we are doing a proper polar line. Now let's add the upper bolt. Okay, altitude adjustment bolts are attached. Now let's quickly attach the azimuth adjustment bolts. Nice clear skies evening. We can see Jupiter and the moon in the sky. And we're ready to polar align with the new bolts. I have already opened the Sharpcap and plate solved home position. Now we will rotate the RA axis 90 degrees before making adjustments, like so. Okay. You can see that the polar line is way off because we set up the mount from scratch. And now we can see we have to go left and up. So let's, for example, first unlock the upper bolt and we go up. And now we have to move left on the azimuth. Okay, we are quite a bit off, so a few turns. Okay, we are getting close now. Oops, went too far. Let's go back a bit. Okay, we have polar aligned. Took me about 4 or 5 minutes. The new knobs work great. The grip is good. So if you need the replacement knobs due to the corrosion, or maybe you just want to upgrade the existing knobs with better grip, check the link in the description of this video. It's available in our shop. If you have any thoughts on this solution, let me know in the comments below. And clear skies.